So, about a year ago, I got these lights coming on the dash. They went, soon to stopped, turned the car off, they disappeared, and the faults aren't showing any codes on my code reader. I didn't think anything of it. It flashed up maybe once every 5 weeks, but for the past 2-3 weeks, it's been coming on every time I drive the car. It's still not showing a fault on any codes on the code reader. So what I've come to thinking is, when I'm driving at 30 mile an hour or more, nothing happens, just the faults come on, I stop, they go away. If I'm driving at slow speeds, I'm manoeuvring, the fault will come on, but the car feels like it's braking the back end. So I'm thinking it's one of the front ABS sensors, and the car thinks it's lost traction, so it's trying to slow the back wheels down. Anyone else have any thoughts on this? That's what I think it is. So for the sake of a few quid that the ABS sensor is, I'm going to change it to front ABS sensors to see if that clears. If it doesn't, I'll try the back ones. If not, well, I might have to dive into it a little bit more and see where it comes. Right, so as I was saying earlier on, I'm going to change the front ABS sensors. I've already took the wheel off, you don't need to see that bit. So the ABS sensor is on the hub behind the disc. It picks up off the wheel bearing. They're a bit of a bugger, these clips. We'll see how easy this one comes off. Oh, look at that, straight off. Never normally happens, normally break. Right, the next thing is we need, it looks like a T15 or a T20 to, yeah, so we'll go and get one of them. It was a T20, so we've got that on there now. Now, every arm in the past when I've done an ABS sensor, it won't come out. Will we be any luckier this time? I doubt it, but we'll see how it goes. That's the screw out. We'll try a bit of a wobble, see if it'll come. Oop, there goes my torch. Oh. Could do with some better pliers. I'll be back in 1 minute. And we're back. If anyone knows of a proper way to do this, please let me know, because I don't.
Snapped it.
And it's gone. Okay, we're getting the drill out. I think we're about there. Give it a try. Should just slot right back in. Slot right in. Like that. Sorry, we're just getting interrupted by the Mustang pulling on the drive. Right, that's all back together now. Now we need to go over the other side, but we'll not film it because it's just going to be the same as this, and it's not that interesting really. Right, over and out people.